scores and mobs have reached a threshold, and no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't improve them. And that's where rank booster session came into play. And this targeted review, exam practice, and stimulating real-life conditions with respect to the examination have helped me increase my pace and improve my scores. Hi everyone, this is Abhyaas Lawprep and I've cracked NLUs Bangalore.
My concepts were really good, but my reading speed was less. Readmark technology has been really instrumental in enhancing my speed by progress tracking and tailored strategies leading to significant improvements in my score. Hi, I'm Rahul Ragam. I have secured a seat in NLUs Bangalore with a rank of 449 in CLAT 2024.
I was a bit confused about my section-wise strategy and how to manage my time while writing the exam. But the premium club sessions by our directors on time management and section-wise strategy have really helped me sharpen my skills and boost my confidence. Hi, I'm Shivani and I cracked CLAT. I got it in answer.
I was unable to score beyond 50 in spite of working so hard. But with personalized mentoring, I've got an effective study plan and I was able to crack the CLAT 2024 very effective. And hi, I'm Nicholas Sujana and I've got into NLU Punjab.
The competitive nature of the exam has led to self-doubt. The performance analysis features of Abhyaas has helped me in identifying my strengths and weaknesses, tracking progress. Hi, I'm Nagacharita and I've cracked NLU Vizag.